Odisha Staff Selection Committee has released a notification for recruitment to the post of Food Safety Officer contains 35 vacancies. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech 360 and you are watching Food Tech Guides. In this video, we are going to discuss about the recruitment notification released by the Odisha Staff Selection Committee for the 35 posts in Food Safety Officer. We will give you all the required information like eligibility criteria, required education qualification, syllabus, age limit, mode of application, selection process and so on. Also, we will try to clear all your doubts regarding the notification. So watch the video till end. Without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will start with an important instruction that recruitment to the post of Food Safety Officer is in contractual basis and the postcode is FSO bar 142. The application for the post is only through online mode and only through the website www.ossc.gov.in. No hard copy of online application form need to be submitted by the applicant. Date of online registration and online payment of examination fees has already started from 26th of July 2021 and the last date is on 25th of August 2021 and the last date of submission of online application form is on 4th of September 2021. The minimum education qualification for the post is degree in food technology or dairy technology or biotechnology, oil technology, agriculture science, veterinary science, biochemistry or microbiology, or master's degree in chemistry, or degree in medicine from AICTE approved institute or recognized boards or state and statutory university securing minimum of 60% marks in aggregate along with the adequate knowledge in computer application. Candidate must not be below 21 years and must not exceed 32 of age as years on 1st of January 2020. This shows the breakup of 35 posts in Food Safety Officer. There are 6 vacancies for SC category and 7 vacancies for ST category, among that 1 is for women. There are 4 vacancies for SCBC category and there are 18 unreserved vacancies are available. So total of 35 vacancies. And there are 3 vacancies are already reserved for ex-servicemen, PWD and sports person. The appointment will be initially on contractual basis carrying a remuneration of Rs 16,880 per month for first year. There are 3 stages for the examination. Stage 1 is main written examination, Stage 2 is computer skill test and Stage 3 document verification. Main written examination contains 2 papers. Paper 1 is a composite paper which contains the topics like general studies, mathematics, computer application and English. Paper 2 is a technical paper which contains Food Safety Act and Rule and chemistry. Both the papers carries 100 marks each. And the stage 2 is computer skill test which contains total of 50 marks but the qualifying mark is just 15 marks. And those who have passed both of these stages will be called for the document verification. So we just directly jump to the detailed syllabus of technical paper. The technical paper contains 2 topics: Food Safety Standards Act Rules and Regulations and Food Chemistry. In Food Safety Standards Act Rules and Regulations, the subtopics are food, pesticides, genetically modified foods, packaging and labeling of foods, restriction on advertisement and prohibition to unfair trade practices, responsibilities of the food business operator, liability of manufacturers, packers, wholesalers, distributors and sellers, food recall procedures, licensing and registration of food business, general requirement on hygienic and sanitary practices by the FBOs, water pollution. And second set is on food chemistry, which contains the subtopics like carbohydrates, essential and non-essential amino acids, vitamins, enzymes, chemical components of food, nutrition deficiencies disorder, estimation of acid value, iodine value, saponification value of lipids, food spoilage, food poisoning, food preservation, and fermentation of food items. The candidates other than SC or ST or PWD category have to pay a non-refundable examination fee of Rs 200. The fees can be deposited only through online mode using internet banking or debit card or credit card or UPI or other available payment methods linked with the online application form. Now we will explain how to apply online for this post. First, the applicants have to go through the detailed advertisement before filling up the online application form. The detailed advertisement have uploaded in our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Aspirants have to apply online using the official website of the Commission www.ossc.gov.in. For the easiness, we have provided the direct link to the site. Check on the description box. All eligible candidates have to register themselves by clicking on Apply Online button in the homepage of the Commissioner's website. Those candidates who are applying for the first time have to register for the post by clicking on New User button shown on the screen. On submitting the registration form, a user ID and password will be generated. On clicking New User or Registered User, instruction for filling up the online registration or re-registration and applicant form shall appear on the computer screen. These instructions are to be read carefully before proceeding for filling up the application form. Step-by-step procedure for registration or re-registration can be viewed by clicking Instruction to fill up online application form. These instructions are to be read carefully before proceeding for filling up the application form. Now, most of the viewers have the doubt that the candidates applying for Odisha Food Safety Officer should know Odia language or not. And the answer is yes. As per the general eligibility criteria, the candidates must be a citizen of India, so other state people can also apply. And also, they should be able to speak, read, and write Odia language. For that, the candidates must have passed middle school examination with Odia as a language subject, or have passed high school certificate examination or equivalent examination with Odia as a subject or medium of examination in non-language subject, or have passed in Odia as a language subject in the final examination of class 7 or above, or have passed a test in Odia in ME school standard conducted by the School and Mass Education Department on the last date of registration of online application form. For more information, kindly check the official notification. Link is in the description. We have created a playlist for Odisha Food Safety Officer exam where we used to upload important MCQs, lectures and notes for the technical paper as per the syllabus. Link has given in the description. Hope we have covered all the required information regarding the notification. If you have any doubts or query, let us know in the comment section. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.